Welcome back to Helical Learning. Today we'll be making a soap cloud. This is a two-part experiment. For the first part of the experiment, you will need a bowl of water, 1 bar of Ivory brand soap, and 1 bar of another brand of soap. Place the bar of Ivory soap in the bowl of water. Notice how it floats. Place the bar of another brand of soap in the bowl of water. Notice how it sinks. It is important to remember these observations as we move on to part 2 of the experiment. For part 2 of the experiment, you will need a microwave-safe dish and 1 new bar of Ivory soap. First, you want to place the bar of Ivory soap onto a microwave-safe dish. Next, you want to place the dish into the microwave. Microwave the soap for about 1 to 2 minutes. As the soap is in the microwave, it will start expanding. After about 1 to 2 minutes, open the microwave door and make observations. The dish will be hot, so be careful and let it cool before removing from the microwave. Earlier we saw that the Ivory soap floated while the other brand of soap sank. This is because when Ivory soap is made, air is whipped into the soap. The air bubbles trapped inside the soap makes it less dense than water, causing it to float. Other brands of soap don't have the air bubbles, so they are more dense than water and sink. When Ivory soap is placed in the microwave, the tiny air bubbles, which also contain water molecules, heat up. The water vaporizes and the molecules of air in the soap move faster and farther apart from each other, causing the soap to expand into a large cloud. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.